Maintenance and inspection managers. Today, the implementation of new technologies is a daily challenge. With the SiRFULL Platform, you enjoy an easy and global solution dedicated to your management of industrial assets. SiRFULL allows you to step into Industry 4.0. You have access to a full range of scalable features dedicated to the life cycle of your assets. SiRFULL allows you to ensure the compliance of the manufacturing of your assets, improve your inspection programs and master the regulatory requirements of your equipment, even for an international scope. Obtain the best information on the performance of your assets and make the best decisions for your facilities based on your assets' data historical. Select the best equipment maintenance strategies and drive the organization of your planned shutdowns. Build the solution that suits you by adding the third-party solutions you need. This exceptional connectivity of the SiRFULL Platform enables you to trace the files and all information from your various equipment suppliers, welds, historical, materials. A revolution in the world of industrial inspection and maintenance.